Hi guys, Vikram from Synergy School of Business Skills. Today's topic is about Primavera. What is this Primavera? It is nothing but a tool which is used to help you to plan a project accordingly. Okay, what is this project? To be in a layman words, in India, marriage is a very big function we celebrate. In each and everyone's life, we have something called marriage. Uh, for a marriage function, we plan before 2 months itself. We plan to give an invitation, how many families will come, how many invitations we have to print. So we are going to give the invitation to each and every family. We have to book for 15 persons. We have to plan everything accordingly. So this is a project. So we are planning accordingly what we have to do. Same way, uh, each and every project, each and every work has to be planned. Like building a bridge. So it starts from how it's going to start, how we are going to work on it. So whomever I want to employ for it. So this is what is called project planning. So Primavera helps the engineers or the help the person to plan right from the beginning to the execution. It starts from the scratch of a project to the execution level. So what all we can use in Primavera? We can see, we can plan, we can track, we can see what is the current situation of the work is going on. So Primavera helps in the way which a person or the top level management want to see what level the project is going on. So how it will help you in career development? Once you completed Primavera, then you will have the better phase of your career. Like if after completing a Primavera, you can get many on-site projects. Like you can go to the foreign companies, foreign countries to work on it, and foreign countries in the different countries, a company will ask for the Primavera certification. So if you have the certification as a fresher, you can start to earn around 60 to 70,000. And if your experience, if you keep on getting experience in practicing Primavera as a fresher, you can earn around 60 to 70,000. If you are getting experience, after gaining experience in practicing Primavera, you can get around 2 lakhs per a month. For more details, just contact Synergy School of Business Skill, Andalpuram, Madurai. Details in the description. Just have a call with us. We'll have a detailed discussion. We'll meet in the next video.